All right, when we got the RT198 Ranger, it had a smaller unit flush mounted right here in the dash. We wanted to be able to run a larger unit, so we're going to take a Beatdown leveling plate and put here. We've already through bolted it. All you have to do is turn around and take the dash. We took it loose, comes around from the shroud, and we through bolted it right here on there. Now you can see we got places for our leads. You could run a double on here, whatever it might be. We're going to run a single. We're going to run a 12. So I'm going to show you how to put a single console mount on here. Now this is the single console mount. It's just like the dual, only we've only got one. But just simply as far as adjusting your feet and having your holes in your plate, everything makes. Some of these plates are made by Beatdown for the specific model of boat. This one particularly was, and it bolts right over the top of the shroud that is there. Then we're going to bolt our feet on, we're going to put our single mount on, then we're going to put our graph on. So follow along, simple as this right here to add a larger mount to a smaller console like this right here. All right, that's pretty well it. I mean, just slick as that. We've got it through bolted, we got our feet on. Now, we left these bolts here a little bit loose, and the reason we did that is so we'd have a little bit of play in order to put our feet bolts through. So the last thing we're gonna do here is tighten up these 3 bolts on the backside, and it allows the plate to maybe settle in a little bit better, so when you tighten those, it's gonna be completely flat and perfect. So don't have those tight before you start. But right now we're gonna tighten those, and then we're gonna put our graph on, and we'll be done with the console. That's simple. All right, we're gonna add one more feature to this graph mount and everything with the install, and that's the Beatdown replacement knobs. Now you can get these for any brand, but they're just a really nice machined aluminum replacement knob, so you get away from that plastic. And what I really like about them is when we put this on here and we tighten it up, it's gonna be there forever. There's not anything in between as far as light coming loose anymore. I mean, it is there, and you don't have to worry about it down the road as far as those vibrating loose. Okay, just a couple of things that I've kind of realized about the Beatdown console mount that's just really user-friendly to me is the fact that you can adjust the screen. Now, we just have a single on here. If you were running doubles like I do on my glass boat, then you'd have them turned to where you can see them the best, glare issues. What's really nice about this is if I want to work on it and stand outside the boat, I can just simply turn it and stand right there and work on it. I don't have to get in here and sit on the seat. But I'm going to line it up where I want it. I'm going to take these ratcheting handles. I'm going to really get on them. I mean, I want it to be tight. I'm not going to just limp wrist it. But right here, you can take this. This is a ratcheting handle and put it wherever you want it. So if you want it completely down out of your way, you want to put it up underneath the graph, wherever you want to do. That's just something that's really nice. You can get it tight exactly where you can, wherever you can tighten it, and then just put it wherever you want it. And that way it's just simply out of your way. And you don't have to catch your hands on it or anything like that. Just an easy way to utilize the console mount from Beatdown with just being able to customize it to your fit.